Hi everybody, this is Stephanie and I want to show you this Comfee electric hot water heater basically. So this is here because downstairs I want to be able to make a cup of hot tea or a cup of hot soup or whatever it is where you need some hot boiling water. And I like this one, although I have the other one too, but I like this one because of the see-through part on here where you can see how much water is in here. I'm gonna close it down. You just press this button right here and it pops up, and then you just press it down. There it goes. And then I want to turn it on. As you see, that turns blue. It doesn't take that long to get warm. I don't know if we're going to be here that long, but as you can hear, it already started. It's starting to boil and it's going. There you go. Look at that. It's starting to boil. It'll take about a minute or two before it really gets hot, but that's what it does. And in a minute or so, you can have you some boiling hot water. Plus, it's a beautiful little thing. So I just wanted to show you guys this new electric kettle, a hot water kettle. And, you might be able to, this is also, I'm in a very small space. You see how it looks in a small space? So, this can be used, your kids may want it to make them their ramen noodles, or, when they're away at school, or to make them a little cup of tea, or make them some hot chocolate, as they're studying. You may really want to invest in one of these for the kids. Plus, they can also see that there's no water in it. So you hear it going, it's starting to boil. It's going to take probably another minute or so, but you definitely hear it boil. And once it stops, it'll click up and that blue light will go off, and you know that the water is done. All right, talk to you guys later.